Natural light can transform a home, making it feel more spacious, vibrant, and inviting. In a city like New Orleans, where residents cherish both the outdoors and their unique indoor living spaces, maximizing natural light can truly enhance the ambiance of your home. One of the best ways to bring more natural light into your living space is by installing bay windows. Bay windows, with their distinctive protruding design, allow for expansive views and a significant increase in light coming into your home. If you've been considering home improvements that not only brighten your living spaces but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your New Orleans home, bay windows are an excellent choice. In this article, we'll explore how bay windows can help improve natural light in your home and elevate its overall atmosphere. Expansive glass for more light. The most obvious benefit of bay windows is the expansive glass area they provide. Traditional windows are flat and confined to a single pane of glass, but bay windows consist of multiple panels, typically a large central window flanked by two smaller angled windows. This configuration allows more light to enter the room from different angles, making your space feel brighter and more open. In New Orleans, where the warm, sunny days are abundant, bay windows can help you harness that natural light without making your home feel overly hot or stuffy. The extra glass surface allows sunlight to flood into your rooms, enhancing the atmosphere of your living spaces and providing an energy-efficient source of light. You won't have to rely on artificial lighting as much, saving on your electricity bills while creating a bright, welcoming space. Enhanced views and connection to the outdoors. Bay windows are designed to extend outward from the wall, providing you with a unique vantage point that traditional windows can't offer. This protruding design creates a seated area in your room, allowing you to take in a wider view of the outside world. Whether you're looking out over the French Quarter, your garden, or the scenic streets of New Orleans, bay windows frame your surroundings beautifully and invite more light in. With more light pouring into your home from a variety of angles, you'll feel more connected to the outdoors. The ability to enjoy a panoramic view while soaking up the natural light from multiple directions can create a sense of openness, making smaller rooms feel larger and more inviting. Increased light reflection. Bay windows don't just let more light into your home, they also help reflect and diffuse light more efficiently. The angled sides of the windows allow light to be reflected around the room, creating a softer, more even illumination. This effect helps reduce the harsh shadows that can sometimes make a room feel gloomy, giving your space a more balanced and natural feel. The reflective quality of bay windows also enhances your ability to brighten your home throughout the day. Whether the sun is rising in the morning or setting in the afternoon, the multiple panes of glass can capture and direct light in different ways, making every part of your room feel well lit and more vibrant. This is particularly beneficial in living rooms, kitchens, and dining areas, where natural light is key to creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Energy efficiency benefit. In addition to brightening your home, bay windows can also be an energy-efficient option for improving natural light. Modern bay windows are often designed with energy-efficient glass options, including low-E coatings that help regulate temperature while still allowing ample light to enter. These windows can keep your home cooler in the summer by reflecting some of the heat from the sun and reducing the need for air conditioning. In winter, bay windows help retain heat by insulating the space better than older windows. By allowing natural light to warm the room during the day, you can reduce the reliance on artificial lighting and heating, lowering your energy bills. With the additional benefit of light control, bay windows contribute to better indoor climate management and a more sustainable home environment. Aesthetic appeal and curb appeal. Bay windows not only improve the natural lighting inside your home but also enhance its aesthetic appeal and curb appeal. The distinctive, architectural shape of bay windows adds character and elegance to both the interior and exterior of your home. Whether you have a traditional New Orleans home with intricate detailing or a more modern design, bay windows can complement any style while creating a focal point for your room or facade. From the outside, bay windows add dimension and depth to your home's exterior, drawing the eye and giving it a more inviting and dynamic look. They are especially appealing in the living room, dining room, or even a cozy reading nook by the window. A bay window can also become a charming space for plants, seating, or decorative elements that further enhance the space's beauty. Creating a cozy, inviting space. Bay windows often offer a built-in bench or extended ledge, creating the perfect nook for reading, relaxing, or enjoying your surroundings. This added space encourages a cozy atmosphere and provides a spot where you can soak up natural light. Whether you're curling up with a book, enjoying a cup of coffee, or simply watching the world go by, your bay window can become a cherished part of your home's design. In New Orleans, where the cultural richness and vibrant life are often reflected in the homes, a bay window can offer the perfect balance between connection to the outdoors and comfortable, quiet moments inside. Conclusion. Bay windows offer a unique and effective way to improve natural light in your New Orleans home while enhancing its overall design and functionality. By bringing in more light, offering stunning views, and increasing your home's aesthetic appeal, bay windows create a brighter, more open, and welcoming living space. They not only improve natural lighting but also bring energy efficiency, comfort, and a sense of connection to the outdoors. Whether you're looking to brighten up a room or add architectural beauty to your home, bay windows are an excellent choice for homeowners who want to maximize light and enjoy a peaceful, well-lit environment.